not going to do nothing stupid. You know, something that bothers me from my reach, you know. I have to say to you. What? You got to wear a shirt and tie? It's just a visit to come visit old lady. You're going to give a speech or in parliament.
Yeah, that me can't take with you know. So when me put dress up to
You
come
don't
look
need
for
too
my
much, man. You
don't
mean a jacket
overdo
and
it.
a t-shirt. You couldn't put on a
Can't you
jacket and a
everything
t-shirt.
you complain about, man? I'm tired of you, man.
Sounds like a real heart-to-heart.
Yeah. A long time we not have one of them there.
So the Wallace brothers are back on track. Guess what?
What?
My last set of medications finished this morning, and next week is my last visit.
What you say? So hold on. That means we can celebrate? Yeah. Hold on there. So what you say? Red or white?
No, sir. No alcohol for the next 2 weeks.
Alright, well, we can do non-alcoholic.
Yeah, that sounds like a plan.
But none in the fridge, so I'll go get it.
You're not planning to go back on the road, no, right?
Well, I guess not. We can wait till later.
Okay.
Babe, we're not gonna talk about who might be behind the attempt on your life.
Carlton, you want to try and convince me that it's the agency, and I don't believe that.
Why not? The minute Bubbles call to find out where you're there, that's how when you get shot.
And what? She called to tell you they're going to shoot me?
Seriously, who could take a shot like that?
A sniper.
So, who have snipers in an organization? Babe, if Mullings feel like you want to leave, and you're going to leave with all of the agency secrets, you might have reason for want to take you out and then pretend them have nothing to do with it.
It's just hard to even conceive that he'll do something like that.
You know any of the sniper them in the agency?
Well, I only know about two. One named Ghost and the other one named Blackout.
Ghost and Blackout. You think any of them would have opposed to other like that?
Snipers don't question orders. They carry them out.
Babe, I know how you feel about the agency, but we can't rule out nobody. And if the shooter's still out there, that means you're not safe.
Minister Daly, you owe my cousin, and by extension, you owe me.
This is not as easy as you think, Miss Suarez.
I should have diplomatic immunity.
Not when you're the main suspect in a shooting.
That means somebody from the agency made a call to have me arrested if I turn up at the airport.
I suspect so.
But if you shut down the agency and they're still operating, that means they're in breach.
Only if I can prove that the call came from them.
So who else would it come from?
I would have to have solid proof.
Listen, Minister Daly. My cousin put a lot of money into your campaign and he never got anything out of it.
Let me stop you right there. I don't know what your cousin Tony Xpressionz has been telling you, But my organization and party did more for him in business than he did for me. He needs to remember that I was elected as an official with boundaries. He's making some ridiculous requests.
And I guess it's just your word against his, since he's not here to defend himself. Well, know this. You see, if I can't get your assistance in this matter, then pray I'm not held by your local authorities.
This might be a challenge to get you out of the country via airport. But I might be able to get you on a boat to Cuba as soon as tonight.
That's very generous. But this is what is going to happen. Keep the boat option open. I need you to find me a place where I can lay low for 2 weeks until I deal with some unfinished business.
What's that?
Killing Carlton Wallace and his bitch.
Hello? Who this? Who? What you want? Location. Cool.
All is well?
Yeah. Something with Destiny and school.
So everything alright with her?
Basically, I do something I have to deal with. So I beg a little time.
Of course. You're not officer, not another word. That's a 1, 2, 3. Destiny that.
Thanks.